Dinner's ready. I sometimes find it hard to describe this desire I feel to want to pickle and preserve. I grew up surrounded by incredible females that could take the seasonal abundance and make it last throughout the year. Now, I thought this was pretty magical. Pickled onions, chow chow, and crimson plums were just some of the foods that my grandmothers would transform into earthly delights. I guess you could say I have inherited the pickling gene, as I get so much pleasure from putting all manner of vegetables and fruit into vinegar, spices, and salt. My lemon pickle is one that gets made every year around about late autumn when the fruit is at its best and most abundant. Now, I have healthified my pickles with inulin powder to make them a prebiotic without losing any of the traditional elements or flavors that make pickles a well-worthy undertaking. Serve alongside meats, cold cuts, or straight from the jar.